Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both runtime environments so you can iterate quickly. Create a Python virtual environment, pip install Flask, or fast API and Flask cores, and scaffold a React app with npx create React app. Next, place a minimal app. Py in a backend folder exposing a simple route that returns JSON. Enable cores so the React dev server can call it. Once done, run the backend Python app Py and start the React dev server npm start so both are live for testing. Now focus on the detailed wiring that makes the two talk. Define clear REST endpoints in Python that return JSON and test them with curl or postman so you know responses are stable. In React, use fetch or axios inside use effect or event handlers to call those endpoints and update component state with the JSON. Make sure to use the package. JSON proxy during development or confirm cores is correctly configured. Handle async errors with try/catch and informative console logs while iterating. Finish by wiring API calls into your components and cleaning up error handling and loading states so users aren't confused. For production, run npm run build and either have Flask serve the built static files from a build folder or host the static site on a CDN with the Python API on a separate host. If something breaks, first check core's headers, ensure backend and frontend ports/URLs match your requests, and log full responses. Those 3 checks solve most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.